told that a club secretary wishes to survey a sample of members of his club. He uses all members present at a particular meeting as his sample. Why is this likely to be biased? Well, I wrote, if they're all present, then they may be like-minded. They might have similar thoughts on the club. The fact is they're motivated to go, for example, and therefore they may not represent the whole population. Um, Other things that are good to say are that, or an alternative is that absent members cannot be included. May have different views. So just a comment along these lines. And then told later, the secretary uses random numbers to generate the sample. So there's 253 members, and the secretary numbers them 1 to 253 and generates a random three-digit numbers on his calculator. So 1 will be 001, by the way. It has to still be 3 digits. Um, Secretary uses each number where possible as the number of a member in the group. Find possible numbers for the first 4 members of the sample. Well, okay, so we just take 3 numbers at a time, really. So the first one is going to be member 156, and then the next one would be 965, but we're going to reject that one because it's more than 253. So whenever it's more than 253, just ignore it. Don't try and work out what it would be. If you divided through by 25, well, if like 254 wouldn't go back to 1, for example. That's quite a dangerous thing because somebody might end up being more likely than another. So it's just good practice to reject it. Therefore, the next one is going to be 248. And then, okay, 156. Well, we've already asked 156, so that one will also be rejected. And then we're going to have 73 or 073, and finally 181. So those will be the first 4 members of the sample.